Viewport navigation controls the orbit selected tool. So I'm down in perspective view right now, and I'm going to come down here to my orbit selected. It's really there's three tools here. It's underneath orbit, so the orbit selected is the one with the green circle in it. It builds an orbit tool, orbit shaped circle here. Now, I need to select something, okay? To use it, I need to select something. So I'm going to go up and select. In this case, I'm going to select the sphere. Now, I'm going to come down to my orbit selected. It builds me the round circle. Now, when I spin around, it's going to keep that selected object at the center point of my orbit. Okay, no matter how I spin it around, that object is going to be at my pivot point of my orbit. All right, so I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to get rid of that selection, and now I'm going to go over and select, for example, I'll go up to select and I'll pick on this cylinder. And now when I go to orbit selected and I spin it around, you can see that my cylinder is the pivot point of me spinning around. So no matter how I spin it, that thing is pinned down at that location. Everything else spins. All right. So this orbit selected, you must have something selected first. All right. So you got to have something selected. So I'll go up and select. I'll select the teapot. Then I come down and I do orbit selected. Orbit. One more time. Hit orbit selected. And all right, one more time. Slow down, John. So I'm going to pick my teapot. I'm going to come down to orbit selected. And now I get the ring going around, and I can spin it, and my teapot is at the center of the pivot now. All right, so I can spin it around any way I like till I get the orientation that I like, type thing. And when I'm done, I can hit escape, and I can unselect by holding the Alt key down and unselect the item. And I just orbited but selected, and the selected then is used to rotate around the center of that current selection.